Hello there everyone. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to all the accounts that are still subscribed to this channel. First, I want to say thank you for sticking with me all these years. I think I made those chainmail videos, my God, getting close on 15 years ago now. Just kind of nuts. But that was kind of the big boost that got my subscription base built up. But as you folks may have noticed, that I don't really post a whole lot of videos to this account anymore. The reason for that is because I've recently opened my own small business out of my garage called Steel Forest Welding and Forge. So I started a new YouTube account dedicated to that business, and now that is where I post all of my content. In this channel, I do tool reviews, I do blacksmithing demos and how-to videos, I do metal fabrication videos, I do welding videos, and for today, for example, I built this very simple but very effective metal forming jig used for making bends thin material. So if you're interested in viewing content like that, please head over to my new channel. Again, it's called Steel Forest Welding and Forge. You can't miss it. It's got a big, beautiful picture of my mug and this epic beard in the on the photo for the channel. I'll also include a link for it down in the comment section below. So thanks again to all the accounts that are still active that have been sticking with me all these years. I really appreciate it. Please head on over to that other channel and check it out.